Hello folks, today I would like to introduce you a product set of tools obtained from Costco. It's a multifunctional tool set. It comes with the battery, it comes with the light, flashlight for those batteries, it comes with the small pliers with all small accessories, the larger pliers with quite a bit stuff, and with a very sharp knife. Okay, it's very good quality. Is all stainless steel. Is for outdoor use and indoor use. Very durable, um, easy to use. So I will show you and what exactly we have over here. Well, I'm gonna read it to you so you can see it. You can obtain this either from Costco directly, or you can buy it from eBay. So the 14-in-1 pocket size multi-tool, which is this one right here, it comes with a needle nose, slip joint, wire cutter, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, fish scale with a hook disgorger, ruler, saw, can opener, small flathead screwdriver, file flathead screwdriver, knife, serrated knife, and a pencil outlet pull welder. Oh, this was just probably this one, 14-in-1. Oh, that's in Mexican. There you go. I'm assuming all of this wasn't included here, all these items. Anyway, the folding knife, Couture plant, Cuchillo, applicable. Whatever, flashlight, oh there you go, flashlight, pliers, whatever. Anyway, all of this has been opened over here. I would really like to show you how things work if you buy one online. So this is pretty durable. It has a very powerful flashlight. It runs off of two AA batteries. The flashlight power is 50 lumens. Let's see how bright is it. It is very bright. Yeah, it's pretty bright and has adjustable. No, it's not adjustable tip. Okay, it has a strap on it. There you go. The buttons on this side. Pretty nice, not really heavy, very good. Made out of durable aluminum. Second item is it is small pliers. Everything I read to you, you'll find over here. 1-inch item I found, they have a little spring on the back, which is help keep it open all the time, which is very usable getting sometimes. File, pliers, or screwdriver, pliers, openers, knife, syringer knife. I'm not sure how sharp is it, but we can double check. Well, not really. My phone is getting crazy. I don't know what the hell is need. Gonna shut him off somewhere underneath my pillow. Okay, what else we have? We got a screwdriver, of course, and a whole lot of nice deals. There's a saw. Saw is very sharp. This is the biggest one. You can feel it is heavy, it is very durable. Okay, let me shut the volume down for this phone. Just a second. Okay, this is the second pliers right here. It has a wire cutter at the very end of the tip. Alright, it has a spring mechanism, but it's hiding inside of this little unit. Very sharp saw, catchy. It has, oh gosh, that's a strong thing. Measuring tool, I guess. That's the screwdriver. This kind of shape is interesting, but it is Phillips screwdriver. This one is can openers, and this is sharp for opening something else. This is file. Another knife, sharp. Screwdriver, flat screwdriver. And what else we have? One more little item. I'm assuming that's a can opener or something else. There you go. That's everything's on this knife. And we do have this knife. Very sharp steel. It's not mechanism activated because they're illegal in the United States, but it has a little pin on the back to help you open it. As you open it, there's a knife, and you know what? I quite am surprised. The knife is a very sharp state. We're gonna have a sticky note, and I'll show you how sharp knife is. This knife is basically making macaroni out of this sticky note. Let's say you don't have a scissors, you do not, but you can make those. Small spaghettis for your project. If anybody doubt the sharpness of this knife, feel free to watch this. Alright, well, that's basically what you guys just seen. Has lock mechanism on it to press it back. This 1, 2, 3, 4 items, you can have it. Link is in description. And what you got, what you just see, you're gonna have exactly the same what you just see. Alright, it's pretty good tool set, and compared to this one, it's unbranded, but it's very durable. It has titanium bolts and everything. Solid construction, looks cute too. So, for example, this guy right here, made by Leatherman. Tool is on its own, cost approximately $50. This is $50. It comes with the small flashlight that on its own about $20. And its work is good as the one we just see. Alright, so good luck, and thanks for watching my video.